Hi, I'm David. This is Kristen. We're here today to show you the right way to use pepper spray.
You might be asking, is there a wrong way? There absolutely is, and you have to know how to use it.
First, let's start with some advantages. The great thing about pepper spray protects you and your family from a distance. This little guy will spray 10 feet and can protect you against multiple threats if need be. It also doesn't require a lot of size or strength. A simple press of the button is all you need.
Another great thing, in order for it to be effective, it does not require pain. It's going to automatically shut the attacker's eyes so you can escape.
You're not going to spray me today, are you?
I might.
Fantastic. It's my lucky day. Well, let's tell you the 10 ways to use pepper spray the right way. First, you have to be familiar with the product, how it feels. You ought to be able to grab it with your eyes closed in a dark room or in a bag and be able to point it at the attacker.
Product knowledge. You have to know what the product does. It is actually going to shut the eyes of the attacker involuntarily so he can't see. It's going to create facial burning, and it's also going to incapacitate his breathing level.
One of the concerns people have is that the threat is actually going to take the canister away from them. What you can do is a good firm grip. Wrap your 4 fingers firmly around the can. Use your thumb to activate it. We already know that it will protect you from a distance, so stay alert. They won't catch you off guard. You'll keep control of your canister.
Also, to be safe while you're using this, there is an arm and a disarm. You want to make sure that it's armed and ready to go. When you're ready to use it, have it accessible. You can spray. Once you make your escape and get to safety, make sure you disarm it so you don't spray somebody else.
And once you've identified that threat, determined it's time to spray, present with authority. Put it out there, put your other hand up, so if need be you can push off your threat and escape to safety.
Distance and number of shot is also very important. You want to know that you've got about 10 feet between you and the attacker so you can spray without having to get close physical contact with him. Number of shots. You should know how many you have in this can because you're going to spray and move. Once you see it taking effect, you want to run to safety.
And you need to know where to spray and how to do it. Aim for the eyes. Spray ear to ear across the eyes. If you miss with the first shot, throw it in reverse. Go back the opposite way and spray until you saturate that ocular area, taking away their vision.
And while you're doing that, you want to spray and move to the side. You want to get out of the line of the attacker so that once you see it's taking effect, you're already out of the line of his reach and you can make your escape.
One of the most important things you need to do are the next 2 steps. You have to have the spray accessible. Everything we just mentioned before is not important if the spray is not with you. You have to have it with you to protect yourself and your family.
Always stay alert. Always be aware of your surroundings. That way, if you do have a potential attacker somewhere in the vicinity, it'll be his turn to cry, not yours.
Be smart, be ready, be
Be
safe.
safe.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.